Badwam so kasie me da se sa no pe wagibre na wo hwe Badwam wa Adom TV so nsem ya to yembo ase aboabo no me de nyina so bo se Badwam so kasie hye ne so se dem live wo DSTV na afi Go TV na Facebook and YouTube so benya nsem pay na wo hwe no na wo like na wo share ne nsem abeti anopai no so kahye bi ne se buna po ye mantem no emu adwuma ko mo hwe eye ahyen eso na se DVL4 wo mu chemu a motorbikes a woni ehon krata no oba be chichire wonum enyina sanso na so afo hwe ngmasua ho nsem so chemu asua pa ahodo no courses bi a won mo ye nya de sade mfaso bi a ebe wo mo asua saade no na opanyini ba konsu atufo kire se engmasua yade a wosa abofra bi a no ye ma no nya bi enya se ase wo ya abofra no papa bi na wo ma no akwanya ama no asua wo ma we ni nsem ahodo bi nam de so mo se Badwam so kase na wo hia me a eya freme anoche wa ba atwa se wa finche mu no memfanto so ma Bona poye mantem no emu ko hono a DVL panyini a wo na se Bono East Regional Manager de ma DVL no eye opanyini Eko Sego na one ya ma ne bofo ye ogina enem Christian of Orukuma twetwe nkomodo panyi ede tudwa se so ba eye bona poye mantem ni mu ha ba kwa wo mo eye afidie tetafo ye moto yi bi ene so onam krom yi mu ko be ni nenso nkrata ye wo ho no chese eni nkrata ankasampo ya wo mo mfa ma DVL ma wo mo nya mu hwehwemu online sese no mo de nam ho no edi sebi nam kwan bi so a ense de ntwe no panyi kire mu a se nkwanhia no be brase a je se wo mu frase na wo kekere san krofo ni nyina nti we ye adwuma a woguso awoye
motor riders na omon register motorbike no na omon ni riding license no yeguso a ye public education na abani say enche ye be enforcement ye ni mekun regional police commander a ye ne ho aye discussions enche ebia ochina anase yimbi kra na ochina ye be start ebium na ya chechi omon register motorbikes no na omso omon ni license no nti ye chiwa no wa be registration ansane dio motorbike ama
okade to aso se ahyenkafo emura won office wonom na wo mepetu mikrata e ma hye ya wotwi na wonya se wone mrante ya na wo mo giregyina montene se obetimi aboa wo mo amana kwantama ma wo mo wo frɛ wo mo koro boys no edin sa wo so sanse saafo ni nyina ene ka ho a asoye na adwuma wo ye no enkoyi
DVL sene mo nimi sene adwuma diti no so wo ba be adwuma hwehwe obi a in fact ne tag e say DVL staff bia ye was tag bi edan kum ana sa jacket reflective jacket ya cho DVL echi e wo nechi ne kokoso nti wo ba na hu sa ankofo na ko mo nche na woni ondi adwuma no ho nkomo mpacho ma hie obi oba odukwan no hie obi ape na start bi se bisa no license ho asam ne registration ho asam nti e be stress hwehwe sa nkrofo ya na se minianum ana me workers a ye na tag day kom ana se che reflective jacket national service for no e reflective jacket na workers no ekita tag se day kom nti oba na woni ebedi nkom adwuma no nkom na yetumi anyway de edunkom because ayesa na wan hwe yi a na wo de usika akomo obi a ebia eni se oni ye adwuma na waje usika na okodi
Yanko my Ghana Mrashe Badwam Public Accounts Committee no omuguso ya wotna se na de to so miensa na dru na jo hono na so afo ya wo hwe ngmasu ahonsem so doctor wo say ya wodutwum kopie mu na mpanifo busasa anya bia no wogitum sesua pa hodo bia wo mayi mu no wo mu ye courses ahodo bia se kwabra na etua sika esua de sanfie mienu fie miensa fie nan wi anya de se adwuma kora no obenya bie na hono mu no panyini wo say ya wodutwum ditu ja se courses bi say diploma in education say ya na fam sanitation education ni nyina no ene obetua sika ato ho handout akọ lectures zubewi ase na ese adwuma ni hono a wo baba ye wo munim pa nti ho na mo ese fata no wo mo betu.
Yes, I know that we have a serious challenges in terms of courses that are offered at our universities. And we are doing something about it. If you look at distance learning programs across the length and breadth of this country, especially championed by Winneba and University of Cape Coast, so many students have been enrolled in diploma in education. They are being trained for jobs that do not exist. Thousands and thousands are graduating for jobs that do not exist. So we've had a conversation with them. One favorite course that I always cite is what is called sanitation education, but there's no course in sanitation to be taught. Development education. Development education for what? UDS. Development studies, undergraduate program. For what job? So yes, I'm fully aware, and we're engaging the universities. I think we need to focus on courses that have relevance to that particular student and to the nation. Invariably, you have BA in education and this university, and it's supposed to prepare students for non-teaching jobs. Which type of non-teaching job are you preparing students with BA in education? The jobs don't exist, but the degree program exists.
Na se ehun adwuma ni ho nso program no de okosua pomu a obetue hu sika besua de mfie 9 wi ana se aba be chechire enkate na waton yemfiri honam na afi yen konsem foforo emu Lady Reverend Adelaide Ebadian Hayward Mills wode yafutuo ama Ghana mpanyimfo se wasrada oman bia dache eye nkwada wonum womu na nwumasua so yade a ewo se ye mane ye akwada bia sede de be kan brofum se right no ewo se uko oman bu do bi so na manfo bia dwere omo se eye privilege asa akwanya na ya ma wo akwada no se ko ne kosua de bi o se eba na se amankora ne dache hihim to oman Ghana obesere penimfo nhwe na wonfo wani ko nwumasua ho se bia nkwada no betumi asua de na dache ye pempenimpa wo mayi mu a wo mu atumi agina ne.
Education should be a right and not a privilege. And not just say, so be a person who where the but unfortunately, no, that's not what we are seeing. No, that's not what life gives us. And so I hope he said by dedicating this conference hall to our Father, we are making room for those who will pass through this institution. Omwenya bebia ombenya asomdwe esuade, and the law faculty gave a lot to us, and we believe that we should give back. So we've come back, yes, to honor my dad, but also to give back to society. And wachi ena Moses kweku Baden ya wonya ne baby kro ne ba kwesi atapenyi Baden enso editu dwase emaburu no adwense emara ho adesua eyade a wontimi enye nenso ohye wo mu nkra se obibi afa na adwen ensi so na obetimi aye amana broso.
You know, either way focus. The law can be a difficult subject, but as well to that, everything is possible. And law and so on, but way so many doors for you. I'm a medical school, but eventually I ended up on Wall Street in America because of the foundation at University of Ghana. So everything is possible. And see, Adom from and wasn't when you said nowhere is serious.
Everyone when I answer commercial bedroom in Public Accounts Committee no omuguswana what hono mo ne ho akohia se wo frɛ oswafo ya wono anase asuye a ehwe apomode ho nsam eso na ningo prampra marshal bedwani Sam Nate George na wobusa opanyini ya wono na wo hwe eye apomode ho nsam so eye Dr. Patrick Kuma Abwaje se adenti na 2020 Auditor General's report no ade abetu dwa se okwa yaresa bia hodo aban de no womutam sikatwitwi de ekotonnu wa bra wonfamfa kwantene ne eso ma mpanimfo hwehwemu enso ne so nyibi mfiri mu ne no na Dr. Patrick Kuma Abwaje kyerese sasem ya Auditor General's report de abeto abonte no ehia hwehwemu pa nti hwehwemu guso ya ekoso
ability certificate from the regional medical stores amounting to 63,851 Ghana cedis. You are appearing before the committee. This infraction has been drawn to your attention. You seem not to know what the circumstances are that led to this particular instance, because right now it's conjecture.
You go to the regional medical stores, and if they don't have the issue with the non-availability certificate, so you can go outside the market to buy. You've seen some infractions on that area, and we have also advised them to desist from that.
And watching a Rashabidwani Dima mention North about one person so Kwesikunedu enso ebisa Ghana Health Service adwumakuo ni se penifo hwesika so ewa yaresa bia bi mu a womu abokro no kase pa de dream a sika pudru afa wonsase a woda so ne nam ho emra bia ni woni abre ya womu NSS asem no wa posifo nsem wono ehun sankaye etesen.
Mr. Alex say allegedly forged 2 signatories and withdrew an amount of almost about 18,496 Ghana cedis from 2 accounts. But however, the total amount initially was 33,496 10 pesos, of which you funded 15,000 Ghana cedis. Chairman, not only is it, just as I said, I think this also goes against our Criminal Offences Act 1960 Act 29, Section 159, forgery of documents. But they said they reported the matter to the Ghana Police Service. We would want to know the status of this matter as reported to the Ghana Police Service.
And watching a penny or his castle, Ghana Health Service, a Jumaku anymore, Mustafa Amidu Adams, say. Oyi nipa bi a wotesa no afri ba bi a wono Edwa kwahye baby fofora. Oji di se hode nya de obetumi asai edi bonefo samo etesa. Na posifo ansamo a omuguso ehwehwem no nso, omu eguso a twensa posifo ede ehumuaye bi ebebre won. Ya obetumi akasi sudua se nipa a owi asesika no, wetua ondiduo mu a. Wona aka no nso oguso ebo mpempen se obetumi agi sika no ede afri won ho.
Have an update of the status of the police investigations or action on this matter as we were coming. But on the matter of the recovery, the officer had subsequently cleared the balance. Awuche is still in the service. He was the head of finance of the District Health Directorate. So now he is working and he's no more a head of finance of any facility. He's working under supervision of a senior.
Yanko akatamanso amanyuku NDC emu. Na NDC mpenimfo de atuja en wo twese me bosome da yeto so dumiensa 13th May no wo behwe na afi mpenimfo ahodo a wo pre eye pranka tuni eja ede ama amanyuku na afi wo so pese wo gina mu ekopre mrahye beja eja ema amanyuku wa afi mpenu ne aduni na abato mu no obehwe na wayi wonum enyina na sanse mitrefo ade ma amanyuku no eye fifi fiave kwete eno ade nsemituja
na wono a wopese wogina as Franca two former party ne presidential candidates no omo forms no omeba NDC headquarters wo ha Adabraka na omako General Secretary office akwa pick forms no form rutua 30,000 Ghana cedis via bankers drafter na wonsa akawo form o feli wie so na wo de ba the friend filing no wo de 500,000 Ghana cedis ebeka ho no broni say na refundable tuya enya dia we tuya sanso ababeje wadi bi
Chairman Edema NDC amanyuko no esedun ketia edi tudwa se ubi a yebeto so aba awie na wantena o constituency a wo be free ya akote baby na yehwehwe wa yehu no sani pakro no womo ebetwa na bato nim na womo assign to ne foforo.
After this election, we will be monitoring all the candidates who are successful. At the end of December, we will do a review. There are some of the candidates who come and borrow money to come and win. They take it and then they leave, and nothing happens in the constituency. If you default in that one, we will cancel the primaries and rerun.
Yanko amanyoko foforo nsem emu Ghana Union Movement yetwede ase gum opanyina wono no ye kofa bae Reverend Christian Kwabena Andrews wodi ade hwede ade afutu ama Ghana fo nyina se wosrada asa Ghana fo ani ewa amanyoko akase mienu so MPP anya MPP a NDC wo so wo nso enedi o my Ghana nya enti se wo ho na pese o my Ghana koyiye na se breso afempenu ne aduonu na animo no wo to aba wo homoden se Ghana Union Movement gum ana beto aba ma no den sema to jase.
NDC and MPP cannot help us. NDC, they are gathering themselves again to come and deceive us, to rob us again. They robbed us before Nana Akufo-Addo came to power. Please, please, and please, help us to save this very country. Gum, we are going to work very hard.
Enwechi osan chire mu se de abai yere wo mo akwa homugye mu any individual bondholders amwaji domestic debt exchange program no atomo no entwa yie e wo oman yi emu.
Omako pension, and Omoye Jumawie. Nami tie will be with social media. Also, Cotan Buchin and Juma, and when you scan or diaba, and what Diacoto bond, Ewa Baimu, and one shen of Bosse, Bush you when you be Eddie. Say no dear Mose, more Jeffrey in them. I fear a team in Podi when Yasom Fasubia. The sick about training poor Virginia dance on Monfamano. Name this is what check up in Phoebe a dear anymore. It is any power obey daddy. We and your chrono, and ye we and your robbery cassette. Into your bessary. Say, ye decide yen to Tumua. A be more minor acco, and we him. Yen penny for by Mon 5 year mrain Mo sa between muja ano.
NDC yenko ensemfufuru emu ana yeko asunafo South Bensi no emu ewa hafo mantem no emu. Omanfo awonom ewo ye senua. Wo mu kyeremu a ehonom no wo kwhye honom ani ekọ no forget. Nya de so obenya network mpo no waye bi. Se mobile money abaso ya kwabra ni gina baabi send this scam we nya de so wo ye bi ye. Na mpo so obenya call anase akwanya na wafre wo yonko anase wunua bi a yiso okofuru dua anase odi ahoma sofo num achechera bodua so na evrengi ani edibrika be fra so masie ofo na evrengo se bebia yedru so man no wo so ahunyehi atise mu no ha adwen mpanimfo meye wadom
how ba kwa ye face pa ye network yi network we kuro mu ase wo sha se ye ni biaba bibia nso akoye network sem any digitalization yanso ye ni network we kuro mu ase ti yesra aban any one a ka bi ye MTN Vodafone other networks obia o me yamwa no me sipo yi mai wo sha kura ye di kan be edipo yi bia ba ha se atu ho amena wie nanso yesa ba support ne de ko ti yesra aban so me yamwa wo sha bi ne yo tisoro kura network ntina o ti dia yusu a open network ayeko ti yesra aban se o me yamwa
Kobi amwa mensa eye afimpinu ene aduonu Penyina wojina wa MPP amanyukuo ni din mu se won mo was na for South ento aba ema no na wani amani boni etwetwe nkoma wode to nanimu se asuaye a ehwe enkitahudie ho nsam so no asoma adwumayefo aba mensini nim hono mu a wo behwe ohawo a wonom ewo mobile network ensem sebe obetumi aba be ye hu bibi ama wonom
Minister for Communication, what means a maybe a chair or smart from a mobile pro our constituency. I'm almost share says I said a bay network some a bit me across meaning say Sabria, I can say insane intimidating now so called Dantano network, then you was to say a Juma, Oko and Rema network in you as I say a Juma, Oko drew a chroma, draw also the network in you a Juma. Meaning say, and you may go a crime and repent a house so gift for anyone now who can want more than telecommunication and more and also very dream. Yes,